everybody, so I just needed to start a whole batch of yogurt, so I thought I would jump on and show you guys how easy it is to make. So you just need, this is a half gallon, this is the Fairlife whole ultra filtered milk. This one's lactose free, so that means I can actually eat it, which is, or I can eat the yogurt when we're done, which is great. But this is the type of milk I recommend. And then I hold on to yogurt from the batches I make. But if you're starting out, just buy, I like to use wheat yogurt, which is a little more expensive, but you can get vanilla flavored, coconut flavored, whatever flavor. It'll just give your yogurt like a hint of that. It's not going to taste like coconut yogurt or anything. Or you can buy a Chobani, like plain Greek yogurt, and it's just 2 tablespoons of that, and because you need that for the active, you know, those things in yogurt that are active, but I can't think of what they're called right now. And then I like to add, and I forgot to grab it, vanilla extract, just to give it a little vanilla taste. So, pour your milk in. Seriously, it's so easy. Pour your milk in, and you end up with plain yogurt. So not like a vanilla yogurt, not a sweetened yogurt. There are recipes out there where you can add in like sweetened condensed milk and different things, or coffee creamers, so you're gonna have more of a sweetened milk. Good morning, Tamisha. But I like it plain with no added sweeteners in it, no sugars, no nothing, and then I add in lemon curd, strawberries, blueberries, whatever I have for Travis's. Most people ask me how much I add in. I don't know. Teaspoon. I just kind of, you know, we're just going to put the whole thing in because it's almost gone. So that much. And then this is a little more than 2 tablespoons because sometimes I can't get it all out. If you're holding over yogurt from before, just mix it up first so you don't have like a bunch of liquidy, because it separates, so every time you reopen your yogurt, you're going to have to just mix it up. And then, like I said, once your yogurt's done, you will have yogurt. It's not Greek yogurt. It's more like Yoplait style yogurt. And if you want more of a Greek style, then you have to strain it. So I have 2 different bags. I got stuff on me that I use depending on whichever one I grab. So you just need, like, they make yogurt straining bags. And then this has become my new friend. I never knew I needed him until they brought him back. The little mini stainless steel whipper. I don't know what he's called, but he's like a mini whipper. And then you just whip it all together. Some recipes I've seen tell you to strain off, or not strain off, but scoop off the foam on top after you whisk it. I tried it once, and then I've not done it before. I didn't notice much of a difference. Maybe I'll scoop it off today, see if there's a bigger difference. But really, I don't know. But you just want to mix it all in. And that's it. That's it. Okay, I'm going to scoop off my foam the best I can without taking, so it's just like, you know, if you were shaking up milk, you get milk foam. Again, I don't think it makes much of a difference. I looked at a few different recipes. They're all different. So, try it today. See what I notice. So once you're done with that, oh, it's pretty good. Once you're done with that, you put your cover on. Where did I put mine? You gotta plug it in first. Actually, I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna plug it in over somewhere else. But I made a lot of foam whipping it. You're gonna put your lid on, and then for our quick cooker, we have a proof setting. A lot of Instant Pots, or I think, Sherilyn, you call yours a magic pot, I think. I think that's what you call it. That's why I was very confused when you said that. But we put it on the proof setting, which you can use for breads, for 8 hours. Now, ours only goes up to 6, so I set it for 6 hours, and then once it hits like 4 or 3, I just cancel it and reset it to hit the full 6 hours, the full 8 hours. Once it's done, I strain it and then put it in the fridge fits right in here. See, I don't have much left. And that's it. See how nice and white it is and creamy? It's really good. It's really good. The air fryer. I'm not pulling it out right this minute, girl. Plus it's dirty because I don't take it anywhere. So it's got a lot of chicken nugget stuff in it. All right, that's it. I'm gonna put my lid on and it's good to go for 8 hours. And then this evening, so it is a Magic Pot. Okay, that's just so weird to me. Are all of them Magic Pots up in Canada, or is it just the brand you have? Because down here it's an Instant Pot. Ours is a quick cooker, but like, yeah, I don't know. I find that interesting. Interesting. So 8 hours, I'll have it. I'll strain it, which I strain mine, depending on my mood, 30, 40 minutes. And then I put it in the fridge. Sometimes if it's kind of lumpy, I take my whisk and I whip it up before I put it in the fridge so it makes it nice and smooth and all mixed together. But yeah, 3 ingredients in mine. So the ½ gallon of milk and then 2 tablespoons of, like I said, I use yogurt that I made before. You can use Chobani, you can use Wii, you can use any type, plain Greek yogurt, a vanilla Greek yogurt, anything like that, 2 tablespoons. And you can just do that, close it up, cook it, or I add vanilla. Or like I said, there's other recipes out there you can find that you can add in sweet condensed milk, coffee creamer, things like that, which will make it a sweeter yogurt. I like a plain yogurt and then adding in what I want, especially my lemon curd, which Cheryl and I plan to try that recipe you sent me and make some lemon curd in my quick cooker. I'm kind of not sure about it, but we'll see. We'll see. You think it's magical? Okay. So it's an Instant Pot, but I think it's, so you call it, okay. So you're confusing me. You know, things are called different things everywhere we go, so you never know. All right, well, I'm gonna get this started. Any questions, ask. If you guys wanna see it when it's done, I'll post up a quick video. I don't know if I'll do a video of me putting it in the strainer bag because it's not always the easiest thing to do, but I might try because I bought a new yogurt bag, so it's not too bad. All right, talk to you later. Bye.